So let's take a look at how you can add command button event action. So let's see, if I add command button into Visualforce page, it should have some sort of redirection when I click on a button. So what we're going to do is we're going to open developer console. Once the developer console is loaded, we will create one Visualforce page. Okay, that looks something like this. Now here we are going to add one Apex form. Okay, now here inside this Apex form we will add command button. So what we will do is, now we have to also set some action just in case if the button is pressed. Okay, and within the curly brackets we will add action, which is do submit. Okay, then you have to also consider script. Okay, script is where it gets triggered and moved for specific functions. So okay, here we will add one action on complete. Okay, what it should do, so on complete it should go to, let's say, check URL function or method. Okay, so we will do that, and here what we'll do is we will simply create that function, name this check URL. Okay, and we will add window.location equals to https youtube.com/DevNami. Okay, and after that what we will do is we will just test it out. Now here you see your button. We didn't add any name here, but we can, but simply clicking on that should redirect us to a new URL. Here you see I'm redirected to new URL. That means the command button action works. You can action in your command button when you want to redirect user to specific location.